The Seahorse platform is located at the Brussels Health Campus in Jette. It's a machine that will change your view on cell metabolism. Cell metabolism? I can already hear you thinking, let's get out of here. It used to scare me off too. But then I learned about an easy way to measure metabolic fluxes in many different cell systems. You see, the Seahorse measures the oxygen consumption rate and the extracellular acidification rate. By automatically injecting specific inhibitors of different metabolic pathways, we can calculate which pathways your cells prefer to generate ATP. Now, why would you even want to know that? Well, many diseases lead to metabolic changes, and metabolic changes drive many diseases. So, if you want to get to know your cells, your disease model, or your novel treatment strategy, you may want to consider using the Seahorse to really see how your cells react to the changing environment. Concretely, we seed your cells in this 96 well plate and we load the cartridge with the compounds that you want to investigate. You can load up to 4 different compounds, and these will be injected automatically whenever you want. The plate goes into the Seahorse and the machine will do all the reading. To normalize the results, the cells are stained with a dye and the citation will automatically count the number of cells in each well. Thanks to the barcode, the software automatically recognizes which cell count belongs to which plate. You see, with the Seahorse technology, investigating cell metabolism has become accessible to everyone. Yet, we are here to help you design the experiment you need to answer your research question. From cell seeding to data analysis and interpretation, we are there to show you the best practices to get correct and reproducible data.